another week, another vlog. This will be vlog 3. I am getting used to doing these and remembering to actually video. So I did forget to video last night. I did take a couple of photos and kind of videos in the day, not specifically for the vlog, but I will add them just to show you what I have started to do this week. I have my Resin-crete workshop tomorrow, so I have been prepping for that. Let me show you here. So in this box here I have all of the Resin-crete weighed out. I weigh out 250 grams of the Resin-crete ready for people to use. I then got my paper cups, which is what I add the water to. In here I've got all of the inks and some of the gold leaf, which I also have in tubs. We've then got all of the beautiful moulds. I then take all of my earring findings, things like the necklaces. I offer sterling silver. I always keep them in a green bubble bag, which is what they came in, so it's just easy to identify the sterling silver. We've got like the pliers, table covers to protect the tables at the cafe, because the last thing I want to do is destroy their tables. I also provide everyone with some of these little coaster or like rubber stopper things, which we use on the jewellery trays, because in this workshop I get them to make a jewellery tray and then either a necklace or a pair of earrings. We've got the necklace findings as well, stirrers, lots of paper towels just in case. I do also take wipes, I just need to pack those. So that is what I did last night. I got all of this prepared, ready for this evening. And then the next thing I plan to do is I have these boxes here, and I plan to basically make these up instead of using a bag for people to take home their jewellery dish and jewellery item. So the other thing I will be providing them all with is a little organza bag. This can be for the necklace or the earrings to keep them safe, and it just helps transport their beautiful items home. So I'm going to show you me just basically making these boxes up for now, and then we'll get on to the next bit. Whilst packaging these, I just had a YouTube video on in the background, and then I have inserted some photos from the workshop of some of the jewellery trays that were made. Back in the studio today, it is Friday. I have got my next layer of resin to do for this custom order, and then I have got some bits that I'm preparing ready for the craft fair I've got tomorrow. So I have got this stained here. I've also got some new stands that I want to stain, and I'm staining them so that they're all the same colour. So they are in there, and these are going to be some, I think it's that way, earring stands. So my earrings can stand on the little shelves in there, and it's got some bits at the bottom that it kind of props up with. Today I also plan to get some keychains put together, as well as some earring bits. So I'm just working on that this morning. Once I got back home, I decided to put all of the earrings I'd made onto the backing cards ready for the workshop. I have sped this up as it definitely took me a lot longer than what you can see in this video here. I also got the keychains attached and ready for tomorrow, and then I have the new bookmarks here, which is what I did in the workshop in the morning. I will have a separate video of how I made these. That is all for this vlog. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe.